If you have just grown bored with the look of your existing Windows 10 notebook or desktop computer, then there are plenty of things you can do to improve its aesthetics. For example, you can move the taskbar from the bottom of the screen to any side of the screen. Top, left or right. First step, right-click any empty place on the taskbar, then uncheck the Lock the Taskbar option. Click and hold, and then drag the taskbar to any side of the screen you want. Don't forget to lock the position again by right-clicking on the taskbar and checking the Lock the Taskbar option. You can also hide the taskbar when it's not needed, so that the Windows 10 desktop display is whiter. Just right-click any empty place on the taskbar, then click Taskbar Settings. Turn on the Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop Mode option. That's it, now you can tailor your Windows taskbar to just how you like it. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos.